Hello and welcome everyone. Today's class will learn about user interface of AutoCAD, how to use commands, and then we do a 4 initial steps for designing in AutoCAD and so on. So let's start with today's topic. Now this is a start screen of AutoCAD software, and to start a new drawing all we want to do just click on the start drawing box here and it start with a new tab. Now here we have a different parts of the AutoCAD software. The first one is application manager button on the top left, which has frequently used tools like create a new drawing, open drawing, save drawing and so on. Then quick access toolbar has similar tools like application manager, and we have tab and ribbon area here. And on this ribbon area we have a tab like home, insert, annotate, parametric and many more. And this tab we have a panels, and on this panel we have tools and commands. To activate any command, all you want to just click on this icon and command will start. Also you can use this command window, which is also called as shortcut for the command. For example, if you want to start line command, you can just click on this icon and command will start, or just type L and press enter key and then your command will start. Now this is a drawing area on which everything is actually drawn in AutoCAD, and here we have a view cube. With the help of this view cube we see our drawing with all views, and in left bottom corner has UCS icon, that means user coordinate system. Then we have a command window where we insert a command or shortcut for any object. And finally we have status bar toggles right here. This is status bar toggles help us to making precise drawing in AutoCAD. We talk about them also. Next we do 4 initial steps for designing in AutoCAD that you must know while designing in AutoCAD. Let's start. Very first step is set unit for drawing. Here we set unit for drawing like in mm, meters, inches or feet and so on. Now second step is set limit of drawing. In that we set area in which we want to work. The third step is zoom into worksheet. We zoom into sheet so that we have a proper access to drawing easily. And the fourth step is set layer for drawing. Before starting drawing, we have to set a new layer for drawing. So let's start with the first step, set unit for drawing. For that, in command window, we type UN command and press enter. Or in application manager tool, click on drawing utilities and then units. So one pop-up window comes, that is drawing unit. Here we have type of length format. If here we select a decimal format, then if you press 4 it will show you 4. If you press 12 it will be 12 and so on. But if you want a proper feet and inches format, you can select the architectural format. In that case, if you press 4 it will be 4 inches, or if you press 12 then it will be shows us 1 feet, that is obviously equal to 12 inches. So you can directly type inches value or feet value. And same like that, here has more option like engineering, fractional, scientific also. Same like length for angle has different format like degree, radian, gradients and many more. Now the instruction set, which decide the unit of measurement. By default we select it will be millimeter, but if you want it inches, feet, meter, centimeter, you can select as per your own. By default we select length as a decimal, angle as a decimal degree and instruction scale as a millimeter and select on OK. And here we complete our first step. Now second step is to set limits of drawing. For that we have to type limits in command window and press enter. It says to specify lower left corner. I will choose it from the origin, that means 0, 0 and press enter. Now it says to specify upper right corner. I will choose it as 2000, 2000 and press enter. You see our area will be changes. It will be from 0, 0 to 2000, 2000. Now our third step says zoom into worksheet. Actually this is not that much important, but I actually want to see my overall worksheet first. For that, press Z. You have all the options how you want to zoom in, by center, by dynamic, by extend and many more. I press A and I press enter so that my whole worksheet will zoom in. So now we see our whole area and we done our third step. And final step is setting up layer for our drawing. This one is very important while printing our drawing. For that we have to type LA and press enter. Then click on layer which we want to set for our drawing and select as a setter. And here we complete our all the steps and our worksheet is ready for drawing. That's all for today's section. Thank you.